Why do 85% of successful manufacturers invest in NIST cybersecurity principles? Let's break it down. In today's interconnected world, manufacturing faces unique cybersecurity challenges. Enter NIST Cybersecurity Principles, a comprehensive framework to manage risks. NIST consists of 5 key functions: identify, protect, detect, respond, and recover. These principles safeguard production lines, intellectual property, and sensitive data. Now, why does this matter? Industry 4.0 technologies like IoT and automation have revolutionized manufacturing, but also opened doors for cybercriminals. Attacks can lead to downtime, data breaches, and equipment damage. Impress it. Solutions helps Houston manufacturers tackle these challenges head-on. We assess your risks, develop protective measures, and monitor for threats in real time. And if an incident occurs, our rapid response team is on it 24/7. With Impress-It solutions, you get tailored cybersecurity strategies that align with NIST principles, ensuring compliance and protection. Secure your manufacturing operations, stay compliant, and focus on growth. Contact Impress-It Solutions today and safeguard your future. Your business deserves the best.